So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how to print inverted star pattern. Okay, so let's start. To print the inverted star pattern, I have written a pseudocode for it. So this is the pseudocode. I have created a variable n and store 4 value to it. Okay, and I have run a nested for loops to print the inverted star pattern. So I have created a for loop int I is equal to 1 to n means 4. Int I is equal to 1, I should less than or equal to 4, and I should be plus plus. Okay, and in inner for loop I added a condition int j is equal to 1, j should less than or equal to n minus I plus 1, and printing a star here. Okay, so the iterator starts from 1, so I is equal to 1, uh, the stars will be 4. Okay, then I is equal to 2, stars will be 3. I is equal to 3, stars will be 2. Then I is equal to 4, stars will be 1. Okay, the relation will be as the I value increases, the star decreases. Okay, so I have created this relation through the okay comes. Okay, so let's start. Initially the i's value is 1. Okay, and here the condition is I and the value of n is 4. I should less than or equal to 4 means 1 is less than or equal to 4. The condition is true. Then it will enter into the inner loop. J is equal to 1. Okay. Here I am creating J is equal to 1. Okay. Is J is less than or equal to 4 means I have created a very okay 4. Now I have created a condition 4 minus 1 means i's value is now 1 here plus 1. The answer is 4. Okay. Now I have condition is 1 is less than or equal to 4, then print a star. Okay, the condition here is true, 1 is less than 4, then I have printed a star. Now j will be updated by 1. Now j value is 2. It's 2 is less than or equal to 4, the condition is here again true, then it will print a star. Okay, now it will check again, j value will gets again updated by 1. Okay, now it will check is j is less than or equal to 4 means 3 is less than or equal to 4. Yes, then it will print a star. Now j gets updated by 1 and j's value is now 4. Now it will check is 4 is less than or equal to 4. The condition will be true, then it will print a star. Now j will be updated by 5. Okay, now j will be compared with the 4 means 5 is less than or equal to 4. The condition will be false, then it will the for loop inner for loop gets terminated, then i's values gets updated. Now i's values gets updated by 2. 4 minus 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now i's value is here 3. It will check the condition 1 is less than or equal to 3, then it will print a star. The condition is true, then it will print a star. Okay, then it will updated by 2. J will updated by 2. Okay, then it will check the condition is 2 is less than or equal to 3. The condition is true, then it will print a star. Okay, then J will updated and J's value is 3 now. Is 3 is less than or equal to 3, the condition is true, then it will print again a star. Okay, now J values get updated by 4. Now check if J is less than or equal to 3. If 4 is less than or equal to 3, the condition is false, then inner loop gets terminated and I value gets updated. I value is now 3. Okay, now here I will get updated here. Okay, 4 minus 3, i's value is current value is 3. 4 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, now i's value is 2. Okay, now it will check for I. Okay, I value is current, i's current value is 3. Is 3 is less than or equal to 4, the condition will be true, then it will enter into the inner for loop, then J's values gets initiated by 1. Okay, is J is less than or equal to 2, the condition is true and it will print a star. Okay, now J's values get updated by 1. Okay, is J's value 2 is less than or equal to 2, the condition is true, then it will print a star. Now J value gets again updated. Is 3 is less than or equal to 2, the condition is false, then inner for loop gets terminated and I will be get updated by 1. Okay, now I value is 4, then the condition will be 4 minus I means 4 plus 1 equal to 1 is 1. Okay, now J value gets updated. Now J value is 1. Okay, is 1 is less than or equal to 1, the condition is true, then it will print a star. Okay, now J value gets again updated. Okay, J value is now 2, then it will check a condition again. If 2 is less than or equal to 1, the will gets terminated, then inner loop will get terminated. Now outer loop will get updated by 1. Now i's value is 5. Is n's value is now 4. Is 5 is less than or equal to 4, the condition is false, then whole loop gets terminated. Our output is here. Okay, now let's start with our demonstration. I have created a class called demo, and in that I have created a main function. Okay, in that I am creating a variable n is equal to 4, and running a loop for int I is equal to 1, I should less than or equal to n and I plus plus. Okay, then I'm creating an another follow int j is equal to 1 should less than or equal to n minus I plus 1. Okay, then j plus plus, then printing star, and this line is for next line. Okay, let's run and see what will be the output. So this is my inverted star pattern. So thank you for watching this video.